What's up guys, Mike Tech here. So for today, isang smartphone naman ang ating re-review. Ang latest edition ni Realme sa kanyang entry-level segment, ang Realme C15. Itong unit natin ay yung Squad Edition with a special hand-drawn doodle box at available lang for 3GB RAM and 64GB ROM configuration. Very refreshing na makakita ng customized box, and as a special box collector, I'll definitely keep it. Pagbukas, you will get the box for the paperworks and the device itself na nakabalot sa soft matte plastic. You will also get the 18 watts fast charger and the standard micro USB cable. Sa loob ng paperworks, nandun yung ating panundot. Also, you will get a message welcoming you as a squad member and crediting the custom box creator. Sad to say, there's no free wired headphones. Alisin na natin yung sticker, pero itag ko natin ito kasama ng box for warranty purposes. Yung color ng device ay seagull silver and may textured pattern siya sa likod. Yung ating device ay may plastic back and frame. Sa likod naman ay nandoon ang Realme logo. Sa kanang side ay ang volume and power button, and sa kaliwang side ay nandoon ang dual SIM and SD card slot. Sa baba naman ay ang speaker, 3.5mm headphone jack and micro USB port. Sa baba ng quad camera setup ay yung fingerprint scanner. Yung display ng Realme C15 ay 6.5-inch mini drop LCD multi-touch screen. Meron itong HD Plus resolution with 1600 by 720 pixels. Ang typical maximum brightness nito ay 420 nits at meron itong Corning Gorilla Glass protection. Meron ding pre-installed plastic screen protector. Personally speaking, vibrant ang color ng display, although it won't match a high-end AMOLED display. Ang battery capacity ni C15 ay 6,000 mAh and it supports reverse charging. Pwede mo siyang gawing power bank. 18 watts quick charge capable din ito, so panalong-panalo talaga sa battery department. Sa likod ay nandun din ang fingerprint scanner. Welcome bonus din yung fingerprint scanner for the cheap price nitong phone. Quick and accurate naman ang fingerprint reader, although less than ideal ang placement nito sa likod on my opinion. Setting it up is quick, although since nasa likod yung scanner, you may need to adjust your grip paminsan-minsan. Sa baba ay meron siyang single speaker. Average ang loudness nito, and if kung naka-landscape orientation ka, prone nitong matakpan ng kamay. Dual SIM slot din ito with 1 extra micro SD slot. Meron din itong Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5, and GPS, Paydo, and GLONASS for navigation. Basic functions like call and text ay walang problema. Clear end-to-end ang voice for calls. Connectivity-wise, supported networks ay GSM or 2G, WCDMA or 3G, and LTE for 4G. For our software experience, ang C15 ay may Realme UI which is based on Android 10. Ito ang pinaka-latest version ni Android. What is the weather?
Right now in Pasig it's 27 and mostly cloudy. The forecast tonight is around 27 and mostly cloudy. Due to the current humidity, it feels like it's 32.
Actually, gusto ko yung take ng Realme sa Android 10. Malinis tingnan and marami ring features and customizations such as dark mode or themes. Ginamit ko itong phone for a few days and I can say okay ang software experience niya. Switching apps or pages sa browser and navigating sa mga menus ay mabilis, pero there are some delays lalo na kapag naglo-load pa yung app or page. Generally, happy ako sa performance ni C15. And speaking about performance, meron nitong MediaTek Helio G35 octa-core 12nm gaming processor. Yun na ata yung pinakamahabang processor name na sinabi ko. Meron din itong 3GB RAM and 64GB ROM. Gumamit ako ng benchmarking app which is Geekbench and Antutu. Sa Geekbench, it scored 171 for single core and 956 for multi-core. Definitely not the fastest result, but for around 6,500 pesos, this is still okay. For comparison, my main phone, which is a Huawei Mate 20 Pro, scored 688 for single core and 2373 for multi-core. Sa Antutu benchmark naman, it scored 110,815, which again, not the biggest score but well worth it for the price. So, how is the performance sa games dahil advertise ang ating processor for games? So, sinubukan ko ang dalawang favorite games ko, which is Clash of Clans and Mobile Legends. Switching from my main phone, definitely ramdam mo agad na gumagamit ka ng entry-level phone. Honestly, mararamdaman mo din yung lower frame rates and there are occasional stutter and freezes. I don't want to sound bad, but that would be the reality lalo na kung galing ka sa high-end phone. But don't worry, definitely playable ang mga games and I am sure you will enjoy playing using this phone considering the price. I can play both Clash of Clans and Mobile Legends smoothly since ginamit ko itong phone. Just don't expect to use high or even ultra graphic settings. As long as naka mid graphic settings ka ay walang magiging problema. Also, please excuse my poor gaming skills. For the camera department, meron itong AI quad camera setup. Yung primary camera niya ay 13 megapixel with f2.2 aperture, PDAF, and 4x digital zoom. Meron din itong 8 megapixel ultra-wide angle lens with f2.25 aperture, 119 degrees field of view, and yung dalawang extra cameras ay 2MP black and white at retro lens. Sa harap naman, we have the 8 megapixel AI selfie camera. Generally, below average ang image quality for my taste. Hindi detailed ang images and very bland ang color rendering. The quality is probably enough for personal photos na isi-share mo sa social media. But don't expect high quality shots and detailed images. The selfie photos turned out okay. I also include sample shots from the device and one reference shot from my Sony a6400. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click that notification bell para lagi kang updated. So for my final thoughts, if you are going to ask me if sulit ba itong Realme C15, I'll definitely say yes. The best para sa akin yung 6000 mAh battery. Trust me, sobrang punat nito. Plus points din ng screen which is large and colorful. Competitive din ng G35 processor plus 3GB RAM and 64GB RAM combo. To top it up, panalo din yung 18 watts quick charge. Sad to say, kailangan ni Realme mag-cut ng corners, especially dun sa camera niya. Overall, if you are looking for a decent entry-level phone and non-stop gaming, i-add to cart mo na itong C15. That's it for this video, but stay tuned. This is Mike Tech and cheers!